Every employer is asking why young people can't lead. Every teacher is asking why kids won't take ownership. Every parent is asking why their kid listens to everyone except them. And here's the answer that nobody really wants to talk about. We're in a leadership vacuum, and it started at home. Not because parents are bad, because nobody handed them a system. And leadership is not in a title. You don't earn it at a certain age or at a certain rank. It's actually just a decision. The decision to hold a standard when no one's making you, to follow through when it would be easier not to be the one in the room that's steady, especially when the room is hard. And your kid is watching you right now and deciding what leadership looks like. And the question is not whether you are leading. The question is whether that you are doing it on purpose. That is what I teach on the mat and at home. And if that sounds like something you want to join me in doing, and you don't want to be the angry mom, you want to be the steady one, go to leadwithoutyelling.com. I have the system. You can get started today.